Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2008 Toyota Rav4, we're going to be replacing the rear differential fluid. This will be pretty quick, drain and fill. Let's get started. Underneath the vehicle, we'll locate our fill plug first. If we peek up above our exhaust and right behind our axle, we see our plug. This is our fill plug. It is an Allen. Let me get that size. So first, I'm just going to take a little angled pick and get all that dirt out so our Allen fits right inside. It's a 10 millimeter Allen. Want to get any dirt out, we'll put our Allen in, get it all the way in, take our ratchet. Now the exhaust may be in the way just a little. My ratchet has a flexible head, so that's helpful for me. But if you need, you can always just push it aside. It has a little room, little flex to it. Okay, let's crack it loose. Not too bad. Now that we got it cracked loose, let's go to the other side and we'll remove our drain plug. So the drain plug is on the other side underneath our axle. We'll do the same thing, get any dirt from out inside. Not too much. Crack this loose. There. With our catch pan underneath, I'm gonna take out the fill plug all the way. That'll help facilitate the draining. There we go. I'll take our fill plug out all the way. I'm gonna hold my pan up just a little so I don't overshoot. Oh, there, it's just gonna dribble straight down. There's really not a lot of fluid in here. We'll let it drain out the best we can. On our drain plug, it's a magnetic tip. So we just wanna wipe that off really good. We wanna look for any big chunks of metal. Little small shavings, a little bit of sludge, that's okay, that's normal, but we don't want any chunks. All right, we are down to a dribble. We're gonna put a new gasket on our drain plug, install it. Now, if you don't have a new gasket, sometimes you can reuse these once or twice, but a new gasket will just ensure that it seals. Come on, buddy. There we go. Just gotta get it lined up just right. Tighten this down. Wipe it off. Now let's go to the other side and fill it up. The recommended gear oil is 80W90. We're gonna be using a fluid pump. I find this to be the easiest method. Let's crawl back under. So we just feed the hose in, just like that. Have a catch pan underneath. We're gonna fill it up until it starts dribbling out of our fill plug. Just start pumping away. There we go, starting to dribble out. Give it a few more pumps. Perfect. Just set this in there. All right, we are down to a drip. We'll clean off our fill plug, install a new gasket, and put it on. I don't know if I mentioned this, but before taking it out, we'll just clean up all the dirt around it, either with a flat screwdriver or a pick, so that everything's nice and clean. Okay, we'll snug this down. Clean it all off, clean off the exhaust. In the next few days, just come back under, make sure it's not leaking, and we're good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching.